Yeah, I was doing some tidying up the other day and found some real old photos. This George, he was running a laser cutter, probably done in 1994. Those that don't know, my cousin Con, now our salesman, back in there 1993 on the tools. And this would have been a typical Saturday afternoon here at the factory. I think I was about 7 years old back then, having some fun in the car park after a day of labour. And yeah, this is the office. If you've ever been on a Zoom call or a Teams with me, when shit gets real and we know we're going to go hard, we've got to prepare for war. And I'm not going to put it on, but you get the idea. These things can take a beating, and so can I. And yeah, worst comes to worst. Like I said, we're ready for anything. My other little famous saying is here, I always give them 100% at work. 12 on Monday, 23 on Tuesday, and so on. So yeah, that's my office.